A team of scientists has discovered a new genus of jumping spiders named Tenkhana in southern India. This genus includes two previously known species and introduces a new species, Tenkhana jayamangali, found in Karnataka. The name Tenkana is derived from the Kannada word for south, as all the known species are native to southern India and northern Sri Lanka. Key details: Number 1, new genus and species. The genus Tenkana includes the new species Tenkana jayamangali, named after the Jayamangali river in Karnataka where it was first discovered. तो जीनस तेंकना जो है इंक्लूड करता है किसको? एक नई स्पीशीज है जो कि जिसका नाम है तेंकना जयमंगली, जिसका नाम जो है रखा गया है जयमंगली रिवर के नाम पे, जो कि पाई जाती है कर्नाटका में, वेयर इट वॉज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड, जहाँ पे ये पहली बार मिला था. टू प्रीवियसली नोन स्पीशीज, दो पहले के नोन स्पीशीज कौन कौन से हैं? तेंकना मनु फ्रॉम सदर्न इंडिया एंड श्रीलंका एंड तेंकना अर्कवती फ्रॉम कर्नाटका हैव बीन रिक्लासिफाइड इनटू द न्यू जीनस. पहले के जो दो नॉन स्पीशीज थे, तेंकना मनु और तेंकना अर्कावती, उनको किसी रिक्लासीफाई करके न्यू जीनस में इनको रिक्लासीफाई कर दिया गया है. तेंकना मनु जो है वो पहले एक डॉक्टर मनु थॉमस थे, उनके नाम पे इसका नाम पड़ा. Habitat and characteristics: unlike related spider groups that inhabit forested areas, Tenkana spiders prefer drier ground habitats. ठीक है, उनको सूखा जगह चाहिए होता है. They are found across Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. तमिलनाडु में, पुडुचेरी में, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना एंड आंध्र प्रदेश. The genus belongs to the Plexipenna subtribe of jumping spiders. Plexipenna subtribe of jumping spiders में क्या ये belong करता है. Distinct from related genera like Hyllus and Thalamonia. Research and collaboration. The discovery was a collaborative effort between scientists from Indian and Canadian institutions. कौन? Kiran Marathe and Wayne Madison from the University of British Columbia, Canada, and John Celeb, TD, from the Savita Institute in Chennai led the research. जॉन सेलेब, इसकी स्पेलिंग होगी यहाँ पे CALEB. Genetic analysis from the study was performed by Krishna Megh Kunte from the National Center for Biological Sciences in Bengaluru. Krishna Megh Kunte from the National Center for Biological Sciences in Bengaluru. इन्होंने किया जेनेटिक एनालिसिस. Publication: the findings were published in the journal Zookeys, combining both genetic studies and physical examinations to support the identification and classification of the new genus. Conclusion क्या है इसका? That this discovery adds valuable insight into the biodiversity of jumping spiders in southern India. The newly established genus Tenkana expands our understanding of spider species adapted to dry habitats and highlights the importance of genetic and physical analysis of species classification.